Like Dana, David Graham found inspiration for his company in a place he didn't expect to, his son's taekwondo class.
I think anytime that light bulb goes off, I think it's always a very exciting moment. That was a weird mashup even to me at the time.
David, the co-founder of Code Ninjas in Pearland, Texas, thought that the basic tenets of his son's class could help make his business more appealing. David wanted to teach young people coding.
On the wall was a bunch of belts, like how he could rank up through the belts. And so I looked at that and I said, well, you know, if somebody could belt up through coding as well.
Kids ages 7 to 14 work together at their own pace as they learn to build video games and code at the same time. The introduction of the different color belts, or in this case, wristbands, gave students something to strive for along with their peers.
I think all kids like to see milestones and have that appreciation and that feedback and reward mechanism. And so I think that's why it works in Taekwondo or in any martial arts, is because they want to have positive reinforcement along the way.
Students don't have to move beyond any level, but Code Ninjas will provide the resources if they want to.
Yes, in Taekwondo, you can't do the kick and you can't break the board. You don't move forward. So there is a parallel in that way.
David was influenced by arts classes in other ways as well. Each location he has is called a dojo, and the instructors are senseis. The franchise has taken off pretty fast with its self-paced curriculum.
Well, no kid wants to be able to go to another classroom. They go to classrooms all day, every day during school. So let's make this something that's not school. The kid will come in, pick up a book, go to his laptop, get set up, and then get started.
It also didn't hurt that people identified with their mascots as well.
I think ninjas are just cool. You know, like, I think everybody thinks so.
David's doing things a lot differently than other companies in the space, which have taken a more academic approach. At first, that worried him.
I was afraid at the beginning that people would think that this was like a karate studio. You know, what we found out after a while, the population gets educated. They understand before coming in. They look through the window, they see clearly this isn't a regular kind of dojo.
Today, he realizes that the reason his company grew so fast, in large part, was due to that aha moment.
I think I'm always kind of open to hearing weird ideas, and that's maybe why I was a little more open to this one when I had it. You got to keep an open mind whenever you hear something that might be a little unorthodox.
On that, Dana and David can agree. You just never know when or where you're going to find some inspiration. But once you do, don't let it pass you by.
At first, I was like, maybe this is just one out of left field. I don't think I was shocked so much as just kind of like, wow, that really works. They don't have anything to do with each other. There's no correlation. That's what I would have said. But it happened.